It has these slots on the bottom here where you just load in sticks. This will keep the fire going. Look how red that stovepipe is getting. Kill the lights and show you. So while that's cooking, I'm going to make some dough. I'm gonna have pizza tonight, and I'm gonna make the dough this morning and let it, you know, rise for the day. I don't have a measuring cup, so I'm completely eyeballing this, which is exactly how I like to cook. So I got some yeast, I have some sugar, and I have some flour, and I just need some water. I'm gonna make it and mix it in this bowl or this container, and I'm gonna make this whole thing. So this is gonna make, you know, a significant amount of bread. So maybe I'll do like a pizza or two, and then maybe like a few flatbreads or something with it. So I have a little bit of warm water left. Let me see. Yeah, this is good. So you need kind of warm water, not too hot. You need to activate the yeast. So I've just kind of put a pinch or two. I do double that of sugar. I like my dough kind of sweet. So okay, let me add this egg. I'm gonna put this plate back on, cover it up, And we're just gonna put these right on the plate, and that'll toast up a little bit. So while that's cooking, let's add this flour. And you know your dough is pretty good if it's not just like making a mess and sticking to your hands. Like this is pretty wet, but you know, I just touched it and it doesn't really make too much of a mess. So this dough's good. I'm really happy with the consistency, especially for eyeballing it. Not bad.
Here, bud. Okay.
Having a dog is great. They do the dishes for you. Wow. I'm going to sear it. This smells so good. The aroma from like the fire. I have sage. I was burning sage in there. Or not sage. Sagebrush. It has like a little sagey kind of smell in here. The pizza, the bell peppers, and the mushrooms smell so good. The crust. Let's check the crust out. This is the most important part. Yep. Crunchy crust. Oh man, this is a killer pizza. And the fresh dough is the secret. I made the dough this morning. Gave it the day to rise. Now it's ready to eat. All the flavors are just perfectly balanced. Thumbs up. That pizza was so good. All right.